And the game suggestion is Potluck Dinner! So yeah, okay. Potluck Dinner is not exactly a game, but it's another chance for you to get active, to do something fun if you enjoy cooking besides eating. So, potluck dinner, of course, it's a dinner, okay? That you gather, you're going to share, you gather your friends or your family or both, okay? And you are going to share with them the dinner. And each person is going to contribute with a dish. It gets even better if you choose a specific cuisine. For example, Mexican cuisine, Italian cuisine, Japanese cuisine. And a suggestion, since we have to adapt, of course, you can do it online. Like you can make a video call with your family, with your friends, with your relatives, and each one is going to show their own table, is going to show their dishes, and to dedicate to the other. That would be really nice. Yeah, kinda, it's how we can do it right now. Okay, so do it with a smile, and let's try the potluck dish, teenagers and grown-ups. Let's go. What am I going to make for the potluck dinner? What should I make? Something salty, something sweet? Still thinking. I know. I'm gonna try something salty. Come on. For our potluck dinner, online version, 2020 version. Potluck dinner, yeah! Get your spoons, get your forks. Let's get ready and think about your recipe, okay? If you enjoy cooking. For my potluck dinner, I decided to prepare a pie. So I'm gonna use 3 eggs, milk, flour, garlic. It can be minced garlic. It'll be better, but I decided like that. I'm changing a little bit the recipe. Onions. I'm going to cut it into small pieces. Half of a teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of olive oil. Cheddar cheese and fish instead of meat. I'm going to use sardine. I'm mixing all the ingredients here. Besides the fish, of course, the olive oil and the cheese. I'm not using them, but I'm mixing the rest inside this bowl. Let's go for the olive oil. There is only half here. Now I'm going to put the fish and maybe some cheddar cheese. Check it out! My pie is ready for my potluck dinner! My first pie ever, by the way. Look at the cheddar cheese. Oh my gosh! Look. I feel guilty now because I should have used more veggies, but I must confess, I was lazy and way too busy to cut more vegetables to put inside. And that's how I'm going to contribute with a potluck dinner. Remember potluck dinner? Remember potluck dinner is just a dinner that you invite your relatives, your friends, and each one contribute with a different dish, okay? And you guys can choose like American dish, Italian dish, as I said in the beginning of the video, because it's going to be even better. And you can adapt at the moment. An online version, video call with your uncles, with your grandparents, with your cousins, with your friends, and share some extra good times with them, okay? with food that is always really, really nice. So I hope you guys like it. I hope you enjoy it. It's not exactly a game, the potluck dinner, but it's a way to interact, to get active, and to have fun. At least I had some fun while I was preparing my pie. Kisses and bye!